In this video, we will see how the consumption function is illustrated. Consumption function is a functional relationship between two aggregates, total consumption and gross national income. This relationship is based on the ceteris paribus assumption, meaning other things being equal. As such, only income-consumption relationship is considered and all possible influences on consumption are held constant. The consumption function is a schedule of various amounts of consumption expenditure corresponding to different levels of income. In this slide, we are presenting the consumption schedule. We could see that the income and consumption is presented here in the table. The income, it starts from 0, goes up to 60, 120, 180, 240, 300 and 360, increasing by 60 crores. And the consumption level, even when income is 0, it is 20 and it has been increasing by 50 crore rupees. From this table, we can understand that the consumption is an increasing function of income because consumption increases with increase in income. And when income is 0, during the depression, people spend out of their past savings on consumption because they must eat in order to live. When income is generated in the economy to the extent of rupees 60 crores, it is not sufficient to meet the consumption expenditure of the community, so that the consumption expenditure of rupees 70 crores is still above the income amounting to rupees 60 crores, which means that rupees 10 crores are saved. When both consumption expenditure and income equals rupees 120 crores, it is the basic consumption level. After this, income is shown to increase by 60 crores and consumption by 50 crores. This implies a stable consumption function during the short run as assumed by Keynes. This is illustrated through the diagram. In this figure, x-axis shows the income, y-axis shows the consumption levels. The C-curve shows the linear consumption function based on the assumption that consumption changes by the same amount of rupees 50 crores. We could see that the consumption curve is sloping upward, indicating that consumption is an increasing function of income. The consumption curve cuts the 45-degree line or the unity line, which shows that at all levels income and consumption are equal. And one more thing what we could see here is that at zero income also people are consuming, taking the savings from the spending from their past savings. So the 45-degree unity line, it shows that consumption is equal to income, C is equal to Y. The consumption curve and this 45-degree unity line meet at point B, which shows that B is the break-even point where C is equal to Y or OY is equal to OC1. When income increases to OY1, the consumption also increases to OC2. But the increase in consumption is less than the increase in income. That is, C1, C2 is less than that of Y1, Y2. The portion of income which is not consumed is saved, as shown by the vertical distance between 45-degree line and the consumption curve, SS1. The 45-degree line may therefore be regarded as a zero saving line. The shape and position of the consumption curve indicate the division of income between consumption and savings. Thank you.